Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so happy to finally share with you the ILIA versus KOSAS Mascara Showdown. Now, I have played with both of these mascaras and I have a little bit of an idea of which one I like and which one I don't like. There are a few pros and a few cons to both of these formulas, so I'm going to try to hit on those throughout the entire video. Before we begin with the video, however, I'd love to welcome everyone who has recently subscribed to my channel. Welcome. My name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. In today's video, however, we are playing with makeup. Before we begin with the video, I would love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I make a brand new upload. Also, be sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I will link those down below for you. I will be sure to share an application or a demo portion for today's video, and I will be sure to share two check-ins throughout today's video, so make sure that you stay tuned for those. And now on to the rest of the video. Welcome to the demo portion of today's video. We are testing the ILIA Limitless Lash Mascara. This is what the outer packaging looks like. Now, this particular mascara claims to lift, lengthen, hold a curl, and separate with precision. She does retail for $28. You do just have one shade option. The next mascara that we are going to be testing today is the KOSAS the Big Clean. Now, this is one of KOSA's latest releases, and this is what the packaging looks like. Complete opposites. So we have something a little bit more classic, more sophisticated, and then here along the bottom we have something that is brighter, more eye-catching. Now, the KOSAS Big Clean Mascara does retail for $26. You do have one shade option, and this claims to give you big, fluffy lashes that help support the natural lash growth and repair cycle. Now, let's chat applicators here. I am very particular with mascara applicators, or wands, if you will. When I got this in the mail, I was very upset. This is not my favorite type of applicator. It's got plastic bristles here, and it does have a lash separator here, which I don't think you can see or tell. That's what's going on there. This is not my jam at all. When I saw the applicator for the KOSAS the Big Clean, I was like, put this in my bag, ship it out to me because I want it. So this is what she looks like. There's a little bit of a curve here within this applicator, which is supposed to facilitate the application process. I was like, okay, I need to test both of these, do a side-by-side comparison for you. So that's what we're doing. I am not going to be using a lash primer as I have typically done before. Today I'm just going to curl my lashes and just really put these to the test. I am going to be applying the ILIA Limitless Lash Mascara here on my right. So this is what the ILIA mascara looks like, and this is my just regular sad lashes look like. I will be applying the KOSAS the Big Clean Mascara here on my left. Now this is what the KOSAS Big Clean Mascara looks like on my lashes. Now let's try to compare and contrast both mascaras here as Toby starts to snore. I have zoomed you all in so that we can get an even closer look at the lashes. Just a couple of things that I noted while applying the product is that it took a lot of layers of the ILIA mascara to get to where I did. A lot less layers to get to where we got this mascara. Now, I can definitely note a lot of separation and some lengthening, of course, with the ILIA mascara. Very minimal clumping. The lower lash line here looks really clean, and I think that has a lot to do with the plastic bristles on the wand of the mascara. As far as holding a curl, my lashes tend to not hold a curl. I feel like by the end of the day, they're usually pretty flat, depending on the formula, of course. Now, here with the ILIA mascara, we do see that we are holding a little bit of a curl. Some of these are sticking out like sore thumbs. We're still holding on to the curl here. Now on to the KOSAS side, we can see some volume, some lengthening, but the lashes aren't as separated as they are here along the ILIA side. As far as the curl, we are holding on to it a little bit here, especially along these lashes, but the vast majority of them have gone flat. And then the lower lash line here, now this could be my fault, or it could just be from the fluffy applicator. It looks messy, at least it does to me. Now I am going to do a kind of midway check-in after I finish filming another video. And then I will do a final check-in where I will tell you which one I prefer or whom I would recommend each mascara to. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So welcome to my first check-in for the ILIA versus KOSAS Mascara Showdown. Let's see what we have going on. Ooh. So there is a little bit of transfer here on the KOSAS side. You can see some flakiness. None here on the ILIA side. So far we are doing just fine. There's no like transfer or anything here on the upper lid space. Alrighty, so welcome back to the final check-in of today's video. I almost ate an entire pint of Ben & Jerry's ice cream, but I stopped myself and I came up here and I decided to just film my final check-in. So let me tell you about the rest of my day. I filmed Then I went to the grocery store to pick up some things for dinner, cooked dinner, ate dinner, currently trying to fix our speaker situation downstairs since Ruben decided to get new speakers. So I've been helping him with that. So it is still Monday, 11:22 p.m. and this is what the mascara looks like, and this is my ILIA side and this is my KOSAS side. Now I do not know if this happens to me because I don't set my concealer, but what I am going to try to do is, before this video goes up, I'm going to use the KOSAS mascara, and I'm also going to set my concealer and see if we have as messy a lower lash line as we do right now. There are some times where the actual kind of flakiness gets into my eyes and it irritates my eyes to where it just starts to cry, and then I, you know, get mascara just all over my face. Not a good sight. I think that the ILIA side, of course, looks a lot cleaner. We're still actually holding on to some curl. Lashes are still separated. They're lengthened. KOSAS side, there's still some volume there. Little separation, but it's just messy. There's mascara all over my lower lash line. So I'm going to remove some chocolate chips off the corner of my eye. Oops. Final verdict. If you like a lengthening, separating, not clumpy mascara, ILIA is your babe. But if you like volumizing mascara with a fluffy wand, I would do the KOSAS and maybe try setting your concealer so that you do not have a messy lower lash line. I think what does all of this stuff is maybe like some of the oils that are included within the formula of the KOSAS mascara. I will be sure to update you all in the bottom bar to see what happens when I do in fact set the concealer. I'm sorry, this is the ILIA side, and then this is the KOSAS side. Let me know what you would choose in the comments down below. So that is all I have for today's ILIA versus KOSAS mascara showdown. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Be sure to like the video if you liked it. It lets me know to make more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I will see you in the next video. Bye. When I saw the, why am I so orange?